What's up, traders? Diego here. So I've just had an interview with Richard Conway. He's recently passed the evaluation of the 17.5K account 2 weeks ago, scaled up to $70,000, and only now, literally right now, he's passed onto the $120,000 account. That's six figures. He's made $4,200 for the month. He's even traded a few hundred thousand outside of CTI from different prop firms. His strategy is amazing. He's going to walk you through some of his insights and some advice for future traders. So you guys are really, really going to enjoy it. And if you like this interview and this content, please support us and like and subscribe the button below. Yes, Richard. Again, we met again. We only just met was it a week ago, 2 weeks ago, more or less?
2 weeks, yeah.
2 weeks ago, you passed the evaluation. And you scaled up to $70,000 and you completely smashed it in our previous consultation. And now, literally in the space of 2 weeks, you've now passed the $70,000 account up into the $120,000 account. Yeah, just talk us about your experience and what you're feeling right now.
Oh yeah, I'm pretty happy after passing that there. I've passed a few other challenges with different companies. So I was reasonably confident that I'd pass it all right. I was happy that I did it in the shorter time frame than I'd expected, all right. So, yeah, things are good. Looking forward to the next few rounds.
Fantastic. Okay, so you're basically managing six figures now with CTI, and you've got what other sort of account values are you trading outside of CTI? What other prop firms?
Yeah, I've 320 with another company, and I'm currently working on 400,000 with another company as well. So all in all, yeah, I'm hoping to get about $1 million by June to be trading with.
Fantastic. I got no doubt you'll definitely reach that. You're a killer of a beast when it comes to trading. I walked over your equity curve last time when you passed the evaluation, and like I said before, you're a beast. You're very, very, very consistent. We don't see no silly big moves or massive drawdowns. It's pure consistency. So no wonder you're just passing all these prop firms with flying colors. Could you give some of the viewers?
Just at the last dip towards the top there, that was literally yesterday. That was a bit of an issue there because I woke up and I saw I was negative in about 3 or 4 trades, and they just looked like they had a big move against me. I was wondering what was going on. I had a quick look on some news and saw that the Ukrainians had done some sort of attack in the Russians. So I just said, look, I'll follow my strategy. I'll stick with them. But I left them another couple of hours. I didn't know if it was friendly fire. Was there going to be a war? I just didn't have the information. So I had to close them all out, and I just decided to short the S&P then. So that's when you saw that big rally there, which was about 2,500 there straight up to the figure. I would have stayed in that had it have been a normal account, but I mean, I'd reached the target. I just closed them all off and said, no point putting myself under pressure and having to go a little bit against me and have to trade another day or two or week. So, But it's a great curve, all right.
Yeah, I mean, absolutely. As long as you hit your target, you hit, was it the 10% target? And, there's no time limit. That's the thing with CTI. You don't have any time limit. It's not like you're limited to trade in 1 month. There's no time limit. You still passed it in under a month. That's down to your strategy. But you made your 10% in your equity curve and your actual performance. And 10% of 70K, what's that? $7,000. So out of that $7,000, and what's your percentage cut? Like $4,200?
4-2, yeah.
4-2. Well, we're going to get into those details in a second. Looking at this performance, you smashed it. I mean, look, a minimum way above average. The average, you want to be looking at a minimum profit factor of just above 1. You've got twice, the average of a profit factor, but you have an incredible jaw-dropping win rate. I rarely see this, and when I do see it, I see these kinds of equity curves. So fantastic trading, high win rate, extremely high win rate with a decent profit factor. So no wonder you're passing with flying colors. And look at the average consecutive wins. I mean, the average that you win is 10 trades in a row, and you normally lose 3 trades in a row. That's amazing. I mean, pat on the back for that one, Rich.
Thanks, Diego.
Definitely. Now, I mean, this is a scaling plan. With CTI, you can start with as little as $2,500, and all the information is here, right? you only need to make 10%. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Around 12 times, make 10%, 12 times, and you're trading 2 million, making $140,000 when you get to that ultimate stage. Now, if we scale up, there's the first 5,000 account, then 10,000 scaling plan, all the way up to the big boy one, which is the one that you did, the 17.5K evaluation account, which you've now passed to 70,000. You've already hit your target, which is 4,200. You're now trading the $120,000 account. Could you possibly give some of the viewers, is there anything that's changed? Are you just following the trading rules? Is your psychology different? Or what's the sort of background right now?
Yeah, a few things. I mean, my psychology is a bit better. I mean, I'm looking to stay in trades a little bit longer. It's very frustrating when you come out of a trade and then you realize, if I just stayed in an extra day or two, I didn't have to do anything, just not do anything, not close it. So yeah, I'm looking to stay in them a lot longer. But when I'm doing these type of challenges, if I'm up a decent percentage, I tend to close them off and just get into new trades. But moving forward, I'll be looking to sort of hang on to trades a little bit longer. But I mean, the main thing I find is to reduce your risk. I mean, if you've got like maybe 5,000 to play with as a drawdown, you want to be doing maybe $300 a trade. You want to be able to have 15 wrong in a row, I think. But I've been looking at my other accounts and like over the last 3 months, I only ever got 3 wrong in a row, ever. So, I mean, I could increase my risk, but I don't intend, and I think 1 to 15, and then it just gives you zero stress. I mean, you can sit in them overnight, even if the spread moves to 30 or 40 pips on some crazy pair. There's no problem. There's zero stress. You maybe have a stop loss of 150 pips away. So you can chill, you can sleep at night, you can check in every 3 or 4 hours if you want to, or just check in every 24 hours.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's all about risk management. You couldn't have said it better than that. Risk management, stick to the trading plan, and you're literally just printing money. I mean, the traders that come in thinking about the money and increasing the risk, thinking they want to make all this money, those are the ones who are struggling in the hamster wheel and they just shaking.
Well, I've been there for years, my friend. I mean, I've been trading pretty much every single day for a little over 10 years, probably 11 years. So the one question is, how did I stay solvent? That's the big question.
Literally, it's a bloody journey we've all been through. I mean, just following up on your recent paycheck, I do believe, this is proof of your payment. Out of the $4,200, which is your cut from the profit split, you decided to take out $3,000 for yourself. And was it leave $1,200 for the drawdown for the next account to give you basically 7% instead of 6%?
Just in case anything was to go wrong, you get 5 or 6 wrong in a row. Maybe it was to mess with your psychology. You increased your size or whatever like that. So it's just to give me that extra bit of breathing space. I don't intend on losing any of these accounts. So my main aim is to hang on to them. And I don't need that cash. So if I can just keep it in there, I can grow the account a little bit quicker and I have an extra buffer. So it makes perfect sense to me.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, you're not only following risk management in your trading, but also in your profits. That's just taking it to another level. So when you go to the next account, 120,000, instead of having 6% as a drawdown, you're using some of your profits to have a 7%. I'm just summarizing for the viewers so they could understand that, which is pretty decent. So what's your plans with the $3,000? Have you got any plans in that, or you're just letting it compound as well?
Zero plans with that. A night out in the town, maybe.
that'd be a really, really nice night, Well, yeah, I mean, that's it. You don't even care about the money. You're just trading, following the plans. That's all what matters, really.
You need to be a little bit indifferent to money. You don't need to be looking at it as a dollar figure there. Like, I'm just trading the plan and let the cash kind of flow in. That's the plan anyway. Exactly.
I mean, after 10 years of trading, or even myself, 7 years, it gets to the point where you've been through so much battles, scars, you've got so much resilience, you're depressed, you've blown accounts, and you just get to the point where you don't care, and you're like, you know what, I'm going to submit, and I'm just going to stick to the trading plan, and I'm just going to trade. And then all of a sudden, surprise, surprise, your equity curve, equity curve goes up.
But you can't control anything. Like, you know, you don't know what the markets are going to do. You've no idea if this trade is going to be correct or not. So in which case you just got to reduce your risk and just let them play out. Like I tend to be in about 6 or 7, 8 pairs at a time. So, I mean, if 2 of them aren't going my way, I can close them out the next day. The other 4 are going my way. And so it tends to be like, if I'm winning 150. If I'm losing, I'm only losing 100. And that's on my averages. Obviously, you've got some massive bigger gains as well. So yeah, that's the way I'm playing. I'm only maybe right about 55% in my own account. So I mean that was a kind of particularly good time there. But I mean 55% right, and then when you're winning 3-2, like, you know.
Yeah, I mean precisely. That's all what matters really. So yeah, I mean Richard, congrats. Thank you very much for your time. Well done on your profit card. Next time I see you, you know, I'm expecting you to make.
I'll see you. I'll see you in 2 weeks.
There you go. 2 weeks. $7,000, and then next month, 5 figures for the month. Why not? You know, the proof is in the pudding. So again, Richard, well done. Keep grounded. Follow your trading plan, and just keep doing what you're doing. You know what you're doing anyway. So yes, I wish you all the best, Richard.
All right, excellent. Talk to you again, mate. Thank you.
Nice one. Take care. Bye.
Cheers. Bye-bye.
And there you have it. Richard trading $120,000 for CTI, being paid $4,200 today on his achievements. And now he's looking to scale up to multiple levels, managing up to 7 figures plus with us and with other prop firms. There's no limit to what this guy can do. In the meantime, if you guys need help with funding or with a trading strategy, check us out at citytradersimperium.com, where we offer multiple strategies and psychology courses, such as the Build Your Edge course, the Corrected Strategy by Jamie, the STT by Daniel, the CEO, or the Bank Level Trading Strategy by myself and Rodrigo. So check out those strategies if you need any further help or assistance. And really, come guys, I want you guys to join us in the community, join the portfolio managers, and let's grow as a team together, guys. We want traders that can succeed so we can succeed. So it's a win-win for both of us. And if you like this video, please just like and subscribe the button below, guys. See you later.